Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add mask gradients or create mask gradients for your design with Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva desktop version and don't forget to sign in with your account. Here you can click Design Essentials under the apps. Now we can scroll down and try to find mask gradient. Easily create mask gradients. You can create mesmerizing mask gradient instantly, elevate your YouTube thumbnails and other social media assets with trendy, eye-catching backgrounds, the perfect way to captivate our audience. So you can click use in existing design or use in new design. For example, I want to practice with my existing, this one for example. So this is the preview of the gradient, mesh gradient. You can choose between a circle or curves. So for curve you can try 4 colors, but circle only 2 color with 1 background color. So for example, let's try with the red, and this is the color. The second color you want to try with the red one. So background color, let's change with the black one. So you can add to design. Here for the layer you can send to backward, send to back, and this one. Or you can use the curve one and try to randomize here. So you can click to add to design and click layer and send to back. Here we go. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.